In this video we're going to look at how to create a multiple choice exercise using hot potatoes. We're going to do that using a tool called Jquiz, which is part of the hot potato suite, and the first thing we need to do is to navigate to the hot potatoes icon, which I'll double click. This will open up the splash screen, and from here we choose the Jquiz tool option from the list of tools available. We'll double click on that and that will open up the user interface for us. Now we're making a multiple choice quiz, and the first thing we need to do is to make sure that the setting over here in the right hand corner is set at multiple choice. If you click on the drop down arrow, you'll see a list of different quiz types that you can actually create using this tool, and I'll provide you a short overview of each one. Multiple choice I think most people are familiar with, but the short answer option allows you to create an activity whereby the student has to write a short answer in response to a question, and the system will then try to match that short answer with a model answer provided by the teacher. Moving down to hybrid, this is a hybrid of both multiple choice and short answer, and you could choose this option if you wanted to give students the choice between multiple choice and short answer. So what generally happens here is that a student will be presented with a short answer question to begin with, and if it proves too difficult for the student, then the multiple choice will be offered as an alternative. And finally there's multi-select, which is where a user can select more than one correct answer in a question. That's something that you can explore for yourselves, but for this particular demonstration we're going to concentrate on making a multiple choice activity, and the way you do that is by first providing a title. So I'm going to create an activity based on the sounds that animals make. I'm going to call it animal sounds, and down here in this box next to Q1, which stands for question 1, I'm going to write my question. So what noise does a lion make? And we can then provide a list of possible answers. Number 1 will be the correct answer, roar. B, tweet. C, meow. And then what we need to do is to check this box so that the system knows that roar is the correct answer to this question, and then we can provide feedback in the middle simply by clicking in the box and writing whatever feedback we feel is appropriate. Well done, for example. Tweet, no, obviously not. Meow, try again. And we leave these two boxes unchecked because these answers are obviously incorrect. So that's our first question done. We're going to move on to create a second question, and we do that by clicking on the arrow, just the once, to take us to the second question. And now I'm going to write a second question. What animal barks? For example, answer A will be goldfish, obviously incorrect. Answer B, cat. Answer C, dog. I choose the correct answer, provide some feedback. Cat, try again, remembering to leave the box unchecked because it's incorrect. Same for goldfish, try again. And I've basically created my multiple choice quiz. It's that simple. I'll go to File, the File menu now, to save the file, the Jquiz file. Remember, this is the file you need to save so that you can edit your exercise as and when required. It's also the file that we're going to upload to Moodle, so it's something you need to save in a safe place. We'll give it a name, animal noise. We'll save that to the desktop, so we know that that file's now safe. And we could also create an HTML page, which we would typically do if we were going to upload something directly to the internet, if we had the means to do that. We'll save this as an HTML file because it's a good way of seeing the final product. If we click on view the exercise in my browser, there we see what the student will effectively see once this is uploaded to Moodle or any other online facility for that matter. So animal sounds, the quiz, what noise does a lion make? Roar, tweet, meow. I'm going to click on A because I know this to be correct. And there's our comment, well done, your score is 100%. And it tells us how many questions we've completed so far, so I click OK, and then I move to the next question by pressing this button here. What animal barks? Goldfish. Try again. Dog. Well done. And that's essentially how you would create a basic multiple choice quiz using hot potatoes.